Hey, welcome back to Family Investment. 1st of August, and the market back on a sell-off, and this time it's more aggressive than the one about 2 to 3 days ago. It's got a funny one this time, it's trying to figure out, So the big question is, what is the reason for the sell-off? First, you've got UK already reducing the interest rates. The US Feds are hinting most likely to have a rate cut in September. I mean, isn't this great news? But there's a fundamental problem that sits behind this wall. To get a rate cut, there need to be a bad reason for this. Bad reason meaning a global growth slowdown. Consumer spending less, the sentiment, the confidence of money flowing, businesses, unemployment are going up, businesses are declining. That's the concern. When you cut rates, it's bad news. And this global growth slowdown concern is hitting and pushing the stock market down. It's been a while to see stocks falling 7 to 10%. I'm talking about like 100 billion stock, like mega cap stocks, like the Nvidia, the Micron, Qualcomm, the big tech stocks falling this bad. I mean, the last time I've seen the stocks dropping so hard, COVID. But we know COVID because there's a disease out there. We were lagging. So we had to drop because we know that we're hitting a huge iceberg. Back in 2007, 2008, the financial crisis, there was a problem and everybody pulled cash out. And you see the huge outflow of cash from the stock market. But today you see that happening. But this is happening in anticipation of something really bad. But what's really happening is folks are shorting the market. So 2 days ago, you see that short. You see where Nvidia dropped like 7%, yeah? And then yesterday it went up 12%. So when it went up 12%, what happened is the short sellers went like, okay, fine, while we're shorting, let's buy back and quick, let's stop. Let's stop where we are. Buyers came in, short sellers were buying back the stocks. It pushed up at a very, very rapid rate. That's what we saw yesterday. But what's funny is the short sellers came back in the beginning of the day, boom, pushed the stock market down, indexes, SMH, semis, tax. And what happens is everybody started going on the bandwagon. So if you look at the charts, you see a gradual tail off. That means it's a huge decline. You're going to push and pull, tug of war. It was basically the pull. The bears were winning straight on. And people are jumping on. As you can see, the tail going down. There's no blip bounce. People are shorting and holding. So now the worry is, will they hold this short going forward? Will the earnings help? I don't think the earnings are going to help. If you see that chart there, Amazon might have missed, Tesla might have missed. Overall, they're making money, but it's still on the decline. So there's something that's still uncertain. We don't know what's going to happen day by day. But folks will be holding onto the shorts. The VIX are going 20 now. Maybe I'm wishful thinking. I wish for 16 for many, many weeks. And now we've got 20. What do I do? Trying to buy the dip. I'm come to the point where I'm a bit uncomfortable to buy the dip. I still got cash, okay? I raised cash by selling. I sold my Uber, okay? But I'm still holding my AVGO, TSMC, Nvidia, my Robinhood. I had to sell Uber. I had to sell something to raise cash. I still got cash on the sideline, selling Uber, been buying lots of Nvidia. How much Nvidia can you buy? It comes to the point where I preach about diversification. Now I've got an oversaturated Nvidia, TSMC, and AVGO. So it's a difficult one. I wish I could tell you the crystal ball what's going to happen tomorrow, but this is something that we have to watch and learn. But I hope that I've explained what has caused the sell-off. We're still monitoring. Bonds, 10-year yield has come down. When this comes down, it's supposed to transfer money back into the stock market. So it's this very uncertain gray area that nobody could explain properly. But we just have to watch and see. And if you're waiting for Nvidia to save us on the 28th of August, come on, chill, relax. If you want the same as to save you, it's at the end of the year, when all the explosive AI comes back to momentum, where use cases are real. But for now, it's going to be bearing the pain. It's an opportunity to reshape your portfolio. It's an opportunity to buy only the quality stocks. I know I've got inbox people asking, Alex, should I get Uber? Should I get the Square? Should I get? I think you should get the bigger cap stocks over the smaller cap ones just now, because smaller caps can drop 7, 8, 10, 12%, but the bigger cap stocks drops a bit lower. I know Nvidia is a special case today, dropping 8%. You might be a one-off freak, but we have to watch and learn, and I'll report to you guys when I learn more. But as it stands, everybody is trying to figure out where we are. Narratives are being changed. I hope this helps. I hope to report when I get more information. Thank you guys. See you soon.